Dami kasing tanong about him and I'm tired of smiling and nodding. I'm so scared because if I announce it, then it's real. But yeah, Rico and I are over.
So sorry, Maris. Sin- Okay lang bang mag-share ka, Maris? Kasi parang emotional ka.
It's fresh. It's been a few weeks. Loneliest, emptiest weeks I've ever experienced in my life.